and where are the plants? I know. Just wait there. I will go to water my plants. No, you wait. You wait there. Are you ready? Ready? Or 5 tons. Ready? A lot of ashes here. Let's clean it. Too much water. Hello, I think it's a weird way to begin this part of the vlog. As you see, I better explain what I'm doing. This is my nursery, also little aquarium, and here I bring all my stuff because I will begin to work on put my nursery ready for new fish. Of course, for that I need to add some. You put in quarantine every time that you buy new fish. You better put it in quarantine for 14 days. It's amazing. 14 days, right? I need to add the general cure, the EM aristomycin, I hope I say it in the right way. Then I need to add the itch. This is a blue one that you have to be very careful when you put that one. So let me also clean this because I found like this that is very old decorations and stuff. Decoration and stuff will go on where I have the other parts, and I need to clean this. This is usually under my aquarium. Okay, the each eggs, it's supposed to be 1 teaspoon for 10 gallons. This is only 5 gallons, so we would put like half of the teaspoon. Super strong. Let's see. There it is. See that glue? You better don't get in your hands or your clothes, because it will not come out. Well, it will come, but long time after you did this. Oh, let me close this. I don't want an accident just here. Let's put more water. Now I need the other ones. Next we have General Cure. This one, it comes in this little package. So what we will do, one of these packages is also for 10 gallons. This is 5. So what we will do is just put the half of the package here. Sometimes it's hard to do it. Since I'm not an expert, I just gonna mark they are all down there, and I kind of mark that I wanna get this half. So yep, I think I got it. And now let's take this for another time. Go back to the box. Next one will be the EM or our unseen. Pretty complicated names. And the same is, one is for 10 gallons, if I'm not wrong. Yes. Let's say, yes, one envelope will be for 10 gallons. We have 5 gallons. We will use just the half. Okay. And I need to put more water and then turn this working. So let's get more water. Okay, we got this working. The only thing that I felt is I just broke the what's the name? The heater. So this will be getting ready for tomorrow. I think I will go tomorrow. I'll try to keep also warm for now. All that you see floating is all the chemicals and everything that I add. It's supposed to help. So this is something to keep the new fish in quarantine, help them to, if they have any sickness, this will fix them, and in that way you can put after 14 days to the main tank and not kill the other fish. I made that mistake so many times, so this is my solutions for many years now. This is where I contain everything that I need for my aquarium, plus this extra one that I have for a long time, and I don't know if I will get rid of that or not, but I have the filtrations different that I use. I only on the P30, P20, wait, 30, I have 2 of the 30, I need 1 of the 20, and I have the small one, so I need 1 of the 20 and 1 of the white ones. If by any chance I forget what is the one that I'm missing, so in my house management notebook, I have one part that is everything about the aquarium, and for example I have everything that I use. I am missing, for example, one of the items that I'm missing is the ammonia remover. I have the other one. I have the Biosorb or Nitra Sorb. I always go between one and another. I have the Biosorb here, means that I used the Nitra Sorb maybe the last time. So now I need to get one of these and one of these, and the dots is what tell me where is better price, and if is better price at the store it will be yellow. If it's better price at Amazon, will not have a dot. So I need this one, is good on the at the store, and this one is better at Amazon. But if I'm buying everything, just the other stuff, I think I will go just for the store. This is description of this little tank. Like I keep also description of what I work on my aquarium, how I made my decoration, what is the base. Here is kind of the prices of how much I spend doing everything and all that I have to do when I put together, expenses and everything, weekly maintenance. And here some of the fish description, like the that I usually get. I didn't put the other one, but it was enough. I wanted to know which one I will be getting, so that is what I do. And now I will turn the light on this one we don't need and put this away too.